Ben Levine, he's a sports cardiologist, and he did this landmark study which changed how I thought about Zone 5 training. As we get older, we get stiffening of these arteries, okay? Stiffening of all of the arteries in the heart, and we get something called left ventricular hypertrophy. So that's when the left ventricle, it starts to get thicker. And when it gets thicker, that means that it's not as strong, it can't pump a lot of blood as much as it could when it was younger to the rest of the body. Ben Levine, Dr. Ben Levine, he's a sports cardiologist, and he did this landmark study which changed how I thought about Zone 5 training. He took a group of sedentary males, average age, I think it was around 47 to 55, so around 50 years old, and he scanned their hearts. He did echocardiograms, he took photos of the heart, he did everything he could to see when they was first starting the protocol, what does their heart look like? He then subjected them to around 4 hours of exercise per week. And that was stratified against, he did one resistance training session a week, one was high intensity physical activity at around 90% of the maximum heart rate, the VO2 max heart rate. And then in between, he did some long sessions as well, right? But it was all moderate to rigorous exercise. And that was done over 2 years. At the end of those 2 years, what he found was that he remodeled the heart by 20 years. So he reversed the age-related effects and defects of the heart by 20 years, essentially turning the 50-year-old hearts into 30-year-old hearts, just from physical activity alone.